Great white sharks have ruled the oceans for millions of years, and this is how. Great white sharks are incredibly effective hunters, thanks to a combination of unique biological traits. They have a supercharged sense of smell, capable of detecting a single drop of blood in 25 gallons of water from miles away, allowing them to track injured or vulnerable prey over long distances. Additionally, they possess special sensory organs called ampulla of Lorenzini, which can detect the faint electrical signals emitted by the muscles and hearts of living creatures. This means they can locate prey even when it's hidden beneath sand or in murky water. Finally, great white sharks use a breaching attack strategy, launching themselves from below the surface at high speeds to surprise fast-moving prey like seals. This sudden and powerful ambush gives them a major advantage in capturing agile animals before they can escape. One recently tagged white shark is highly important to science and shark conservation, and here is why. Contender, the largest great white shark ever tagged in the Atlantic at nearly 14 feet long and over 1,650 pounds, plays a vital role in shark conservation. As a mature male, likely around 30 years old, he provides rare insights into the behavior and movement of breeding-age sharks, a crucial group for species recovery. Equipped with advanced satellite tags, Contender transmits real-time location and environmental data, helping scientists map migration routes and identify critical feeding and breeding habitats along the U.S. East Coast. During his tagging, researchers also collected biological samples that offer valuable information about his diet, health, reproductive status, and pollutant exposure. This data deepens our understanding of the species and helps shape more effective protection strategies. Contender's journey not only supports scientific research but also raises public awareness, making him a flagship individual in efforts to conserve great white sharks in the North Atlantic. If you want to find out more about Contender, then visit the OSHER's website. More reason for Contender's importance is white sharks in the Pacific and Atlantic oceans differ in their migration patterns, behavior, and habitat use. In the Pacific, particularly off California and Mexico, white sharks often make long-distance migrations to a remote mid-ocean area known as the White Shark Cafe, possibly for feeding or mating, and are known to dive deeper and travel farther offshore. In contrast, Atlantic white sharks, especially along the U.S. East Coast and Canada, follow more coastal migration routes, moving seasonally between the southeastern U.S. and northeastern regions, like Cape Cod and Nova Scotia. These Atlantic populations are showing signs of recovery due to conservation efforts, while Pacific populations are still being closely studied for their offshore habits. Genetic studies suggest that Pacific and Atlantic sharks are separate populations,